I think I just figured out why some YouTube channels grow and others stay stuck forever. And it has nothing to do with how good your videos are. Over the past few weeks, I've been researching hundreds of YouTube videos, breaking down what actually makes channels grow, looking at patterns, data, and real examples. And now I'm applying everything in real time. This is day 6 of my YouTube journey, and today, I came across something that explains a lot. Why some small channels explode, while others post for years and barely move. I'm Atlas, your host from Make Money AI. And today, we're talking about something YouTube doesn't openly talk about. But it quietly affects everything. Let's get into today's most valuable insights. So here's the idea. YouTube isn't just judging your videos anymore. It's judging your entire channel. And based on everything it sees, it decides how much it can trust you. Now, when I first heard this, I didn't think it mattered that much. But then I started noticing something strange. Smaller channels, massively outperforming bigger ones. Not slightly, massively. Channels with fewer subscribers pulling in hundreds of thousands of views, while bigger channels struggle to get a few thousand. That shouldn't happen, right? Unless something else is going on. And that's where this idea of trust starts to explain everything. Because YouTube isn't just asking, is this video good? It's asking, can we trust this creator to deliver a good experience? And if the answer is unclear, your video never really gets a fair shot. Now here's the part that really changed how I see YouTube. You're not competing with everyone. You're not competing with big creators. You're competing with people at your level of trust. And once I understood this, a lot of things started to click. Because if your channel is new or unpredictable, YouTube plays it safe with you. It might show your video to a small group of people, test it quickly, and if it doesn't perform immediately, it stops. But if your channel is trusted, YouTube behaves completely differently. It gives you more time, more impressions, better audiences, same effort, completely different outcome. And that leads to the real question. How do you actually build that trust? Before we get into that, let me explain this in a simple way. Imagine you have a friend who always recommends movies. At first, you're unsure. But then they recommend one, and it's great. Then another, also great. Then another. Now you trust them. So when they suggest something, you don't even question it. You just watch. But the moment they recommend something bad, that trust drops. And next time, you hesitate. That's exactly how YouTube works. Every time it shows your video, it's putting its reputation on the line. And if your video disappoints viewers, YouTube learns that quickly. And this is where most beginners make a mistake, without even realizing it. And honestly, I've probably done this too. If you want to see me figure this out in real time, subscribe and follow the journey, because I'm testing this as I go. Now let's get into what actually kills that trust. The first one is being unpredictable. Not bad, not lazy, just unpredictable. And this is where I'm changing how I think about uploading. It's not about posting more, it's about posting predictably. Think about it like this. You always know when the Super Bowl is. You know when your favorite team is playing. You know when new episodes of a show come out. Why? Because it's predictable. There's a schedule. Now imagine if that didn't exist. Sometimes the game is on Monday. Sometimes it disappears for a month. Sometimes there are 5 games in 1 week. You'd lose interest fast. And more importantly, you wouldn't trust it. That's exactly how YouTube sees your channel. If you upload randomly, it doesn't know when to show your content. It doesn't know who to show it to. And it doesn't know if you're serious. So instead of pushing your videos, it plays it safe. Second, getting clicks, but not keeping attention. This one is dangerous. Because it feels like you're doing well. People are clicking. Your numbers go up. But then they leave early. And YouTube sees that as a broken promise. It's like saying, this is exactly what you're looking for, and then not delivering. Over time, that damages trust more than anything else. And third, confusing your audience. If your content is all over the place, YouTube gets confused. And when YouTube is confused, it doesn't promote you. Because it doesn't know who your content is for. So here's what I'm focusing on now. Being predictable. being clear, and staying aligned. Same direction, same type of content. So YouTube can actually understand my channel. Now here's the part that really changed how I'm approaching this. Because at first, this idea of trust felt a bit abstract. Like, okay, YouTube trusts some channels more than others. But what does that actually mean for me, right now, on day 6? And this is where it clicked. YouTube isn't just reacting to your videos, it's predicting your future. Based on your past behavior, your upload patterns, how viewers respond to your content, YouTube is constantly asking, is this creator likely to deliver a good experience again? And if the answer is yes, it pushes your videos harder. If the answer is uncertain, it holds back. So every video you upload isn't just a video, it's data. It's telling YouTube who you are as a creator. And this is where the long game comes in. Because trust isn't built in one video, it's built over time. Predictable uploads, clear content, strong viewer experience, again and again and again. And this is where I think most people quit too early, because they don't see immediate results. But what they don't realize is, they're still in the learning phase. YouTube is still trying to figure them out. And if you stop during that phase, you never give the system enough data to trust you, which means you never really get momentum. And that explains something I kept seeing. Channels that suddenly blow up. It looks like it happened overnight, but it didn't. They were building trust quietly in the background. And then one video hits, and YouTube finally says, okay, we trust this channel now. And that's when everything changes. So this is the game I'm playing now. Not just trying to go viral, but trying to become a creator YouTube can rely on. And I'm documenting all of it. Tomorrow is day 7, and I'll share exactly what's working and what isn't. So if you want to follow the journey in real time, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.